Hello everyone, today we will discuss about DNA. So, what is DNA? DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a complex, long chain molecule that contains the genetic blueprint for building and maintaining all living organisms. Found in nearly all cells, DNA carry the instructions needed to create protein specific molecule essential to the development and functioning of the body. DNA is the blueprint for the cells, containing the instructions that tells the cell how to do things and what to make. Now, what are the DNA bases? In DNA, there are 4 different bases: adenine, guanine are the large purines, cytosine, thymine are the smaller pyrimidines. RNA also contains 4 different bases. 3 of these are the same as in DNA: adenine, guanine and cytosine. In this, any of the pair of the nucleotide connecting the complementary strand of a molecule of DNA or RNA, DNA भी हो सकता है या RNA भी, and consisting of purine linked to a pyrimidine by hydrogen bond. The base pair are adenine, thymine and guanine, cytosine and DNA. And adenine uracil and guanine cytosine in RNA or in hybrid DNA RNA pairing. Now अब बात आती है कि DNA base pairing important क्यों है? It is important in forming the helical structure of DNA. It is important in replication also as it allows semi-conservative replication. Now अब इस base pairing का भी एक rule है. According to Chargaff rule, adenine always pair with thymine and cytosine always pair with guanine. Now structure of DNA. DNA is made up of 2 strands, double stranded. Each strand has the base connected to a phosphate backbone. The 2 strands wrap around each other in a winding staircase manner, helix. Why is DNA structure important? DNA unique structure enable the molecule to copy itself during cell division. When a cell prepare to divide, the DNA helix split down the middle and becomes 2 single-stranded. These single strands serve as a template for building 2 new double-stranded DNA molecule, each a replica of the original DNA molecule. There are 3 models of DNA. There were 3 models suggested for DNA replication: conservative, semi-conservative and dispersive. The conservative method of replication suggests that parental DNA remains together. Newly formed daughter strands are also together. This is the actual picture of DNA. Now DNA replication. DNA replication is the biological process of producing 2 identical replicas of DNA from one original DNA molecule. DNA replication occur in all living organisms, acting as the most essential part for biological inheritance. और जो ये DNA replication process है, ये प्रोकैरियोट्स के साइटोप्लाज्म में होता है एंड यूकैरियोट्स के न्यूक्लियस में होता है. And you know, only 3% DNA is active in our body. Rest become inactive. In order for you to survive, your cells need to replicate themselves. In order for them to do that, they need to replicate their DNA. Every cell in our body has the same DNA because every time one of your cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA to give to the new daughter cells. How does DNA replicate? The DNA is unzipped and the original strand are used to help make the new molecule. अब first step में हमारे पास old strand है. In second step, we add new bases, and in third step, 2 new strands are created. Each contain half of the original strand. Now, what is mutation? Mutation is a change that occur in our DNA sequence either due to mistake when the DNA is copied or as a result of environmental factors such as UV light and cigarette smoke. Mutation are any change in the sequence of bases of DNA. Now, how does mutation occur? Sometimes during replication, the cell make a mistake and add the wrong bases. When the cell replicate its DNA again, the 2 strands that are produced are no longer exactly the same. This usually will cause the new cell to die, but sometimes it can cause the cell to divide when it is not supposed to cancer. Now, here are the main causes of mutations. Mutation arise spontaneously at low frequency owing to chemical instability of purine and pyrimidine bases and to errors during DNA replication. Natural exposure of an organism to certain environmental factors also, such as UV light and chemical carcinogens, also can cause mutation. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to like. If you having any queries, please do comment.